Where are you guys off to today?
Could you drop me off at Phoenix Contact? I think it's just around the corner.
What's a Phoenix Contacts?
Phoenix Contact is we are an industrial manufacturer of electronic parts. It's in like Middletown, Pennsylvania, Central PA, something like that.
Back in my day, we didn't have companies like that.
Really? Dang. Okay.
I was a coal miner.
Oh, okay. Well, here, come on. Let me show you.
Hold on, whippersnapper.
So Phoenix Contact is a electronics manufacturer. Pretty much, we make the parts that make other manufacturers be able to function properly.
Well, I'll be darned. Look at this technology. Back in my day, it took grit and strength. I wonder what it takes to work here.
Be a go-getter, someone who is kind of more self-sufficient, I guess, who wants to learn a lot and is interested in electrical components.
Well, I started out in the cleaning and maintenance department, moved up, just excelled at each thing that I did. If there was overtime to be had, I'd work the overtime and just showed my initiative, and that's where I am today. So hard work takes you far.
Well, Phoenix Contact is a global innovator of products. So one of the things that we do is innovate new components that are industry leading.
Hey, how you doing?
Where's the gas in this here doohickey?
Oh, so this bad boy is an electric. Doesn't even use gas. Actually, our solar panels up there, they power the station to actually charge these vehicles.
That's amazing. I'm amazed at today's society.
Yeah.
Thanks for showing me around Phoenix Contact, Alvin.
Of course, of course.
Put a handshake on you.
Yeah.